Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is English Grammar with Zephora. I'm back with another lesson. Today we will be talking about object pronouns. Make things simpler in English. Before we begin this lesson, let's review our exercises from the previous lesson. If you haven't watched my previous lesson, please pause this video and go watch my lesson titled Basic Sentence Structure. Learn the easiest sentences in English before continuing with this video. Now let's review the sentences and learn the answers. For sentence number 1, the answer is subject, verb, direct object. Number 2, the answer is subject, verb. Number 3, the answer is subject, verb, indirect object. Number 4, the answer is subject, verb, complement. And number 5, the answer is subject, verb. How many did you get right? Leave me a comment below. Just like we have subject pronouns, we have pronouns for objects called object pronouns. They replace the object's name, and they are me for I and us for we in the first person forms. Next, we have you for you and you all for you all in the second person forms. It is the same, so you do not need to change it. And lastly, we have him for he, her for she, it for it, the same word, it does not change. And finally, them for they in the third person forms. Now to our examples. In the first person form, we can say, Janda loves me and he gives me for the first person singular. Then they see us and the boss trusts us for the first person plural form. For the second person form, we can say, Carl hates you and it cuts you for the second person singular. Then she helps you all and John teaches you all for the second person plural form. And finally, for the third person form, we can say, she kisses him and he visits him for the third person masculine singular. Next, they like her and she shows her for the third person feminine singular. Next, Zhao tastes it and I watch it for the third person item singular. And finally, Lisa takes them and he grabs them for the third person plural form. Now we will have our exercises. We will have 3 exercises for first person plural, third person feminine singular, and third person plural. Okay, now for the first person plural, we have Aaron sends Matt and Karen. What would be the pronoun here? Next, for the third person feminine singular, we have Rachel hugs Isabella. What would be the pronoun here? Lastly, for the third person plural, we have we see sunglasses. What would be the pronoun here? Okay, now please pause this video and practice these exercises on your own. The answers will be given in the next grammar video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video with the exercise answers and grammar lesson. Visit my channel to book a private lesson to practice your English one-on-one. Thank you again and see you soon.